Sairam students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, keeping well at home, right?
Sairam ma'am, yes ma'am, we are fine.
Very good. Good to hear that. So, are you ready for today's class?
Yes ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So, we shall begin our class with three omkarams, right? So, close your hands, join your hands, close your eyes, and sit straight. Sairam students. So, we'll begin our class today as we were discussing chapter 5, numbers from 10 to 20. We have learned how to make a group of 10, how to place the number in ones and tens position, tens place, right? So, I'll show you a video today. For that, let me present my screen. So that will help you to understand it better. Okay. Has my screen come, children?
Yes ma'am, I can see it.
Can you see it? Okay. Shall I
Yes
play the
ma'am.
video? Okay. Can you hear this sound? Okay.
And the sun
Yes
will
ma'am,
set
I can hear
behind the
it.
hills soon.
Is it audible? Yes. Okay. So see, children, we have learned how to make group of 10, right? And how to make a bundle of 10. So in this video, you are going to learn it better in better way. So how to make a bundle of 10 or group of 10. So let's see the video.
It's late in the evening and the sun will set behind the hills soon. Aha! Look at those rabbits. They are coming back to their shelter. It's not safe for the rabbits to be outside their shelter after dark. Quite a few rabbits are back. Let's count the number of rabbits that have returned home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 rabbits inside this fence. But the other area is empty. A few more rabbits have to still return home. Wait, there's another rabbit coming to the shelter. It is a brown rabbit. Now, how many rabbits are there in total? There are 10 white rabbits. That makes 110. And there is one brown rabbit. This makes 1 1. 110 and 1 1 make the number 11. Here is how it is written.
So see, children, in this shelter, you can see 10 white rabbits. So they have made a bundle of 10. So they are representing it with 110, right? And here only one brown rabbit is there, and that is a loose one, as we discussed yesterday. Anything, any objects, if it is loose more than 10, and if it is not 10, so we cannot make our bundle. So it is loose one here, the single one here. So it will go in ones position. So here it is 1 1, right? You can see 11, it is 1 1. So this one is at 10th position and this one is at 1's position, right? So let's see it more. Yeah.
Here comes one more brown rabbit. So now there are 10 white rabbits and 2 brown rabbits. The total number of rabbits is 110 and 2 ones. 110 and 2 ones is 12. Here is another rabbit. There are 3 brown rabbits now. The total number of rabbits is 110 and 3 ones. That makes it 30. With one more rabbit, the total number of rabbits becomes 110 and 4 ones. This number is 40. of rabbits is 110 and 5 ones. This is 15. One more rabbit makes it 110 and 6 ones. That is 16 rabbits. Now there are 110 and 7 ones. That is 17 rabbits. One more rabbit hops in. This makes 110 and 8 ones. We call this number 18. Now there are 110 and 9 ones. This number is called 90. And here comes the last rabbit. Now there are 10 white rabbits and 10 brown rabbits. So there are two groups of 10 rabbits. The total number of rabbits now is 2 tens and 0 ones. We call this number 20.
So see children, here we have seen from 10 20. Now they
Ma'am,
are increasing, right? From 11 to 19.
Ma'am,
We
your
have
voice is breaking,
seen,
ma'am. I
but in
cannot
here,
hear.
yes. Okay, it's breaking.
Yes, ma'am. I cannot hear in the
Let me
middle.
check the network. Okay, okay. I will repeat. Don't worry. Just let me check the network. Yeah, maybe due to weather, it's almost full, but maybe due to weather, right? So, okay, I'll repeat it again. See, children,
Yes, ma'am. It
now
is
it is
clear now.
clear. Can you hear me?
No, ma'am. Now
Still
it is
breaking?
okay.
Okay. Okay. See, now I'll repeat. Okay. See, children, here we have seen numbers from 10 to 10, 20, right? But as we know, in this fan we can say 10 rabbits, right? So it is going to the place of tens. So it was earlier till 9 position, the number is getting added from 11 to 19. Now when we'll get 10 brown rabbits, so now how many are there? You can see 10 are there. As if they have counted, they had written it here at the top. You can see this. So now we have 10 white rabbits and 10 brown rabbits. So these 10 will go to tens position. If we have 10, anything, any object, if we have 10, that will go to, that will form a bundle and will form a group of 10 and it will go to tens place. But how many loose rabbits we have, how many single rabbits we have, we don't have anything here. So it means at one's position we have to write something at one's position. If it may be any number from 1 to 9, right? From 0 to 9 we can say. So it is nothing here loose, right? So we are going to write here 0. We have to represent this ones with some number, as we don't have anything loose, we don't have any single or any single rabbits here. So we will write here 0. So two tens and 0 ones will form 20, will give a number 20. Then that we have to remember. If we have 20, so it means two tens and 0 ones. If we have 30, it means three tens and 0 ones. If we have 40 number, so it means four tens and 0 ones. So both has its place, both has its position, right? So now you have to practice from from 10 to 100, right? You have to make a group in your rough notebook and you can take any object, you can form bundles, you can see from 10 to 100. So it will give you practice and you will understand it better, right? So let's see what happens after. Yeah,
All
that's
the
it.
rabbits are now home. They look really happy, don't they?
So now it's a group of 20, right? Let's do some worksheet on based on it. I hope you can hear me now clearly. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Now I
Can
can
you
hear.
hear? Okay, okay. So these we have some worksheet based on grouping 10. Let's see. The first question goes like this. Count and group the objects in tens and answer the following questions. The first one is done for you. So let's see what has been done for us. Yeah, we have a smileys here, right? And how many are there? They have made a box, means it's a bundle of 10. As we can count also 3 to 5, 3 to 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. It means 10 smileys are in the another box in a bundle. We can say it's a group of 10 here. Now some loose smileys are here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So some few questions are given. Let's see. First question is how many groups of tens are there? We can see this box. It's a one group of tens we have. So it's written one here. Now, how many ones are there? So ones means the single one, the loose one. So we have counted already. It's 5. So it's written 5 here. Now, how many smileys are there in total? Now we have to see in total also. So 1, 10 and 5 ones will make how much? Or we can simply say 10 plus 5 as it is a group of 10. So we have written 10 here and
15.
here 5.
15.
Yes, very good. So it's 15. So let's do it. Some more examples. Yeah, B number. Can you see the stars? Okay, I'll count
Yes,
for you.
ma'am. I can see, ma'am.
Yes. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's a
11.
group of 10, right?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
And now here one is loose one here. So what we are going to write here in the first, can you read the first question?
How many groups of tens are there?
Yeah, how many groups of tens are there? So how many groups, how many bundles we can see here?
Ma'am, one bundle of 10.
One bundle of 10. So I've written here one, right? Now how many ones are there? Single one,
Ma'am,
loose one we have to see.
ma'am, one star.
That is one star. Yes, we are going to write here one star. Now, how many stars in total? So for that, children, you have to do what you have to do. You know, one bundle is there. In one bundle, how many stars we have made? We
Ma'am,
have
10.
kept 10, right? As we are making a bundle of 10 here, so we are going to write 10. And how many loose one?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Very good. So 10 plus 1 is equal to
Ma'am, 11.
11. So we'll write 11 here, right? So in 11, we have 1, 10 and 1, 1, right? Okay. Let's see the next one. How many groups of tens are there? So you can see two boxes inside the
Yes,
big box. It
yes,
means
ma'am.
we have two groups, right? So we'll
Yes,
write here 2. Okay.
2.
As it is a group of 10 fishes, so we'll just count the boxes and we'll write 2 here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how many ones are there? Can you see any loose fishes here? Any single
No,
fishes
ma'am.
here? No. So we'll write something we have to write to represent ones.
Yes, ma'am.
What we are
Ma'am,
going to write?
ma'am,
Nothing.
0.
Yeah,
0.
very good. So we are going to write here 0. We have nothing loose here, so we'll write 0 to represent ones. Now, how many fishes are there in total? Now, what you have to do? Two groups, two bundles of tens is equal to how much? One bundle of tens is equal to 10,
10.
right? As we have seen here at the top.
Yes, ma'am.
If I'll move the cursor a little up, you can see this example further. Yeah. So here we had one bundle, so we had written 10 here. So two bundle means simply
Ma'am, 10 plus 10.
10 plus 10. So what we can say?
Ma'am,
Can we say 20?
20.
Yeah,
20.
very good. So we'll write here 20 plus how much in one's position? How much the loose one?
Ma'am, 0.
Nothing. 0. Yes. 20 plus 0 will be when we
Ma'am,
add 0 to any number,
ma'am, that same number comes.
the
Ma'am,
same
20.
number will get. So we'll get 20 here. Very good. So this will be the answer. Now let's see the next one. What we have? We have one more page here, the D question. Yeah, this one, D1. Okay. Yes, some balls are given here, but no boxes inside. So let's count the balls first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? So 12 balls are there. So how
Yes,
many groups,
ma'am.
how many bundles we can form here?
Ma'am, one bundle of 10 and
Yes,
ma'am, two loose balls.
very good. So we'll make one bundle of 10 like this. Right? It's a bundle of 10. 10 balls are inside.
Yes, ma'am.
And two loose ones, right? So we are going to write here how many groups of tens are there. Can you tell me how many groups of tens are here?
Ma'am, one.
One group, right? Now how many ones are there? How many loose ones? Ones means the loose one, the single one,
Ma'am, two.
which is not in the group of 10. Yes, so two. One, two. Very good. So we'll write here two. Nice. Now, how many tennis balls are there in total? So what we are going to do? One bundle means how much?
Ma'am, 10.
10. Very good. And separate the loose ones ball are
Ma'am,
2.
2.
So 10 plus 2 is equal to how much, children?
Ma'am, 12.
12. Very nice. So we have 10 balls, 12 balls in total, as you have, we can count it also. We have seen also here, right? Okay,
Yes.
very good. Now we have one more worksheet here. Yes, that's simply you have to count here. See, children, you should be able to count till 100, right? Though it is a chapter of 10 to 20, and as you have learned this counting till 100, I think, in upper KG classes, so
Yes,
you
ma'am.
should be able to count quickly, right? Now, let's see the question. Fill in the blanks. So, fill in the blanks means you can see this box here, blank box, and you can see the pencils. As it is a picture of pencils, now we have to count how many pencils are there. So, first example I am going to do for you, right? One,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, children, you can count, you have counted these pencils 10, right? So it's a group of 10, we can say. Again, it's a group of 10. I have not counted here 11, 12, 13, 14. You can count like that also. But 10 plus 10 is 20, as we have just seen in the before above example, right? So we are going to write here how much? 10 plus 10. How many pencils?
Ma'am, 20.
20 pencils. Very good. Okay. Can you count the next one for me?
Ma'am,
Chocolates, candies.
yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ma'am, 15.
15. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you here, children. As you can see, three rows are here, right? You can see rows
Yes, ma'am.
or columns, we can say, right? Columns
Yes.
are three, rows are, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have seen three columns. Columns are what? Like this is a column. One column, we say it column, right? And this is the second column. As you sit in your classes, you sit like this. In
Yes,
one
ma'am.
row, five benches are there. In other row, five benches again. So see, in you can see here in every column we have five chocolates, five candies, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you can do, as we have learned table of 5 yesterday in previous video, right? So
Yes.
if we have same in three columns, so we can say 5 threes are. In one, we have 5. So how many columns we have here? 3. So 5
Ma'am,
threes are how much?
ma'am, 5, 3, 7, 15.
15. And as you have counted already, so it is easy to do, right? If you learn the table, if you have already learned the table, so you can use that multiplication table here in counting also, right? So it's 15 candies. Very good. Now, how many flowers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 flowers here. So we'll write.
10. 1, 0.
And can we make one bundle of 10 here with these flowers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Let's see one more example here. It's not there, I think. No, it's second page only. Yeah. Right. So we no. Okay, we have here. Right. Now represent the number of objects given below by drawing them, group them in tens. What you have to do? Represent the number of objects given below by drawing them. Right. So numbers are given here, children, like 15 stars. So you have to represent with drawing 15 stars. Right. And
Yes.
what you have to do then when you will draw, once you will finish drawing, then you have to group them in tens. So if it is 15, so how many group you will be able to form? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, one bundle of 10 and
Right.
ma'am 5 loose stars.
Very good. So one bundle of 10 we can form. See, I'm making very bad stars. Please ignore it. Okay, because I'm drawing it quickly. So 3, 4, 1 I draw for you so you will understand. All will understand. How many I have drawn? 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 I have drawn, right? Now 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So see, in 15 you can form. What you can form?
Ma'am, one bundle of
1 bundle of 10. Yes, you have already told, but I'm drawing it so that all can understand, right? Those who are watching. Yeah. So we can form 10 bundles and 5 loose one we have, right? So 10 plus 5, 15. Yes, you were correct. Very good. Let's see the next one. Okay. Actually, I can use eraser here, but we have short of time. Okay, let's see the next one. Yeah. So again, you have to draw 20 flowers. Then you have to group them in tens, right? So 10 plus 10, 20 we know. So we will have how many groups we are going to have in these
2
flowers?
bundles of 10.
Two bundles of 10. And do we get any loose ones here?
No, ma'am.
No. Yeah, right. Now 10 balloons. So it means how many balloons? You will draw 10 balloons definitely. And how many
One
bundles? One bundle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that, yeah, second page only, right? So this is how you can do it, children. You can take any examples, like here it is 10 balloons, you can draw 10 kites, you can draw 13 kites, you can make 15 pencils, you can draw 13 erasers. Likewise, okay, take examples and try to draw. And as you love drawing, coloring them, and you can form a bundle also, you can make a group also with colors, and you can see how many loose ones, so you can write the tens and ones position. So you will learn it this way and you will enjoy it also, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so one small quiz we have here actually. Here, yeah. How many questions we have here? 5 questions. So we will do it quickly, right? So first question goes like this: which option shows two groups of tens?
Ma'am, the picture is very not clear.
Okay, see, I'll count. Here in this picture, we have 5 flowers here, right? And 5 in this bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Sorry, we have 10, 10. So this is the group in which we have two tens. So we'll
Yes,
say
ma'am.
it is
Ma'am,
B,
B. Yes, ma'am.
right? So submit it. Now next question. Next question. Yeah. What do the dots tell you? So how many are there? First we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10, two bundles of 10 here, right? So we can say two groups of 5 equally 20. No. Two groups of 10 is equal to 10. No. Four
No.
groups of 5, 10. Two groups of 10 is equal to 20. So 10
Yes,
plus 10
ma'am.
as we have seen just now, 20. So this will
Yes.
be the answer.
Yes, ma'am. D.
Okay. Now let's see the third one. Which image shows one group of tens only? Only one group of tens. Which image shows?
Ma'am, C.
C1. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, right. Very good. How many frogs are jumping?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, 10.
No. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Ma'am,
20 are there.
and they are saying how many are jumping.
Okay, right. How many are jumping? Right, right, right. So how many are jumping? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. See, you have seen it, you have observed it carefully, right? Well done. Let's see the last one. How many flowers do you see? Can you count the flowers?
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, ma'am.
Very good. So let's submit it. Why it is not telling anything? Maybe. Okay. So yes, children, we have done the quiz also. You have given all the answers correctly, right? So we'll end our class today by this only. I hope you liked the video and you have understood it in a better way. I'll come back to you, children, and at the end we'll do Shanti part. So please join your hands. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you, children. Sai Ram. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So see you in the next class. Take good care of yourself. Sai
Yes,
Ram.
Sairam, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.